Are you gonna buy a new PC or Mac or whatever? Nice. I don't think I have 128. I think I just have 64.
Yeah, that is tricky if you have a bunch of no trade days as part of your trader rehab. So I like to try to recover half the loss before I start to take my guardrails off. So if you have, 7 days of rehab, but um, you've only made back a couple, a small amount, it's better to stick with the guardrails being on pretty tight. So at the moment, yes, we had this big move yesterday on HCTO or HTCO, whatever. Um, but right now, it feels like, kind of crickets. There's nothing, KIDZ is up 19 million shares of volume, but it's only up 30%. So I think the good news is that we are definitely positioned that if something has news, it could become the leading gainer very quickly. But, if that doesn't happen, then well, I guess it'll just continue to be a slow day. Uh, but a stock with news could take the number one position pretty easily on a day like today, and I think that is a good thing. So now we just have to wait for that stock to come out with news. Well, so we had a private placement, or well, now I can't remember what the headline was yesterday, but we did have something
All right,
yesterday.
day three.
I see HC Wainwright involved. Um, so the company's selling almost 10 million shares at a purchase price of $9.50. I don't know. I'm not sure. Probably in part because the float's higher. So there's just less interest on a higher float stock.
I just don't think it's gonna work. No, I mean they have like people at these like hedge funds and quant firms and stuff like using that stuff, and people with PhDs like working on that. Like I'm not gonna beat them if I don't even really know how to use AI. There's no way I'm gonna beat them. I'm not really gonna waste my time on it. Like with the news and stuff. I don't know. I feel like I could maybe dump the news into ChatGPT or something, but I feel like I should just work on the skill of reading price action rather than trying to like find some other edge like that. I think I want to just get better at reading price action because those are the best traders, the ones who can read price action and trade it. Oh god. Yeah. I don't know if it has news.
So SkyQ, energy fossil fuels company, I'm not sure about that sector right now, but oil is still up in price, but we haven't had good momentum in small caps on energy. I agree, it's kind of a big move, but then a sell off. This wasn't easy to trade during this run up. It was it was very difficult. It was very frustrating. So I think to me this is a no trade.
Yeah, I mean, people like if it gets up there, I feel like people are just going to be taking profit, or I don't know. It's not going to be easy to trade, and it's just not going to get that high. It's probably just going to roll over. Yeah, it's like the same in small caps. Mm.
Are harder to take advantage of with a brain.
I was taught by the League of Assassins and Ra's al Ghul.
Yeah? How's that working out for you? Not very sporting, Damien. He gets pissy when he loses. I have it.
Don't be Batman. Don't be the mask. It's okay. Let it out. Just for tonight. Let yourself fall apart. I promise to hold you together.
What do you say? Was what for April?
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into dialogue.
Sorry, that was loud. The what? $72. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Okay, that works. For are you trying to say for April and May? It would be 144.72, two of them. You're good.
We're playing Die Rise first. We're not going to use a gobble gun. Playing Mob of the Dead and Die Rise, which is basically the only two maps.
I guess it's probably the one I'm most good at. I'm not like a whiz or anything. I'm retarded in most areas, but I'm alright with math. Thanks. Dude. This thing better not be. Make this the one. Big seller at 750. Yeah. It's on short sale restriction at least, which is a good thing. It's extended. What'd you say? Nice. Even if this was a normal stock, I probably wouldn't buy. It's extended on the 1 minute and the 5. It's at 40%. Nice. Here's the first red candle. It could just roll over, yeah. Energy stocks, yeah. Yeah, that's crazy. Somebody called it out earlier, too. Volume's super light.
Kal-El. Clark.
Someone took everything from you, didn't they? And look who became the punching, kicking embodiment of wrath.
No. Orchestrated.
Embodiment of wrath.
I killed them.
No! Madman orchestrated this. He's responsible.
What do you think you should become? A god who deluded himself into believing he was just a man? Superman.
I keep her safe. There are some things even you can corrupt, Joker.
So just watching for news at the bottom of the hour here.
The joke's on you. And the world will burn. Now that's a punchline.
BATL is also oil. I'm really not interested in trading these. They just don't trade well.
Everything seems to be okay at the moment around the world, but even better in the life of Superman and Lois Lane. Clark wakes up in the morning surprised to hear another heartbeat from Lois, and he figures it out immediately.
Oh my god. This is insane. No.
Just sitting tight right now.
Why is he sitting tight way over there? Oh, he's eating. God, look at Sky Q. It just freaking rolled over hard. That's insane. Shoot. Maybe I just wanna get. I'll be right back.
Not sure what this headline is exactly, but interestingly, the level 2 looks really thick. Look at how many sellers were stacked at 63 there for a second. So we'll let it pull back.
I'm literally taking a shit. I'm literally doing it. I'm literally. Okay, what is it? What is it?
Not sure.
Shit, I didn't mean to clip that. Fuck. I'm fumbling. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Price range good. Hard to borrow. Holy shit, this is the one.
So kind of watching it here.
Break a 350. Oh my god, it broke. It slammed right through it.
I'm going to take a starter and look to ride this momentum.
A minute 440.
Nice. Now watching this dip. Watch this pull back right here. Now watching for a pop through 5. So letting it dip down. Added right here. Now looking for 550.
Okay.
Let's see if we can get a squeeze up to 550. Letting it pull back a little bit. Watching this area. So we're up 100%. Let's watch this first pullback. So watching down here.
Why are we red on it? Why? Explain.
So let it pull back for a
460.
second. Added right here. Now looking for the squeeze on
Wow.
this through 5. So adding at 488. Now I want to see if this can break over 5.
Jeez, dude.
So watching 475. Holding 5,000 shares. This is definitely our leading gainer.
It is 116%, 120%.
So now what we're going to do is we're going to let it pull back for a second and we're going to watch over 5. Watching 475.
Weeble's
Watching
blocking.
dips. Bought the dip down there for the pop back up over 450.
Is that it?
So trying to time this squeeze through 475. Let it pull back a little bit.
High is 564. Pulled back hard. Pulled back a lot. Okay, we're in a 1 minute.
So watching for the next dip.
Damn, he
We're
just
up
gave back
100%.
everything.
So at this point, we're going to look for a curl back through the new high.
He just gave back like 8K off the top. He was up like 15K.
It's our
he
leading
just gave back a
gapper.
shit
So
ton.
that's what we've got going for us here.
How is nobody buying this? The float is so low. Price range is good. Daily chart. What's a daily chart? Daily chart looks good. Yeah, the daily chart looks pretty good. 560. What point did we hit? I had this split back here.
So where's the tipping point where we get a retest of our high is the question.
Dude, I'm red $10 on it. That was pretty difficult to manage. It was that topping tail that really screwed me. I just no, I didn't buy at the top.
We've got the
I got screwed, dude. I was
catalyst
in the bathroom.
tying in with the
I
conflict in the
didn't see
Middle
this.
East.
I literally used the bathroom at a specific time because I thought there was going to be no news, but they put it out at 7:40. Kidding me, dude? Are you kidding me? Yeah, that was insane. Went from 2 to 560.
MACD is positive.
PRF.
Bought the dip down there, 55. Looking for that pop back up through 65 and 70.
Oh, he's cooked. He just bought 20,000 shares of a flush.
Surprises me.
He just went red on the day. Ross did.
I thought that would hold there.
Ross just gave back everything. Yo, what is this?
So we'll see what this does.
We're gonna have to wait for a curl. Sucks. Hard to borrow. Hard to borrow. High is 3. Oh. It's only up 20%. Wow, any XR. I'm gonna put any XR on the side chart and then PRFX on the main chart.
Since this is our leading gainer, I'm still going to watch it for a curl.
Yes.
Looks like I had the right idea about the dip down there.
back up from that. Yeah.
So watching.
Here we go.
So now we want to watch to see if this can break back over 4.
PRFX is fucking cooked. Why is nobody buying, or there's just hella sellers? Why is this thing not moving?
And then our tipping point is going to be back over probably 450, the $0.50.
What? Oh, what were you in? PRFX?
Little dip there at 380. We'll see if that can pop over 388, 390.
Oh, he's in it again. Ross is in it. He's revenge trading. This is going to be another one of those
We're
days.
right underneath the volume weight average price here.
Yeah, he does have a point. We could break right through VWAP. 380.
Put out a profit target, 405, 410. So watching over 395. There we go. So
Break
now
over
watching
4.
the break over 4. Gonna take off my sell orders and now watch over 4 for an add and then a squeeze through 450.
Big seller, big seller.
So we broke over 4 for a second. It's got to hold over 4.
Damn, man, this thing is not behaving nicely.
Watching dips.
Oh my god, no way it's going to pull away here. Topping tail is huge. What was the high? 564. We are way down from that. Crazy. Big seller holding it back. Care to buy up those shares, Ross, or what? Can you buy those shares up for us so we can bust through 4, buddy? Buckaroo. Yeah.
Looking for the break over 4. So we got that initial pop, which is the 100% move, which we've had on previous stocks, then the pullback, now holding, sort of in this area. So we're looking for a curl back up to 450 and 5.
That thing was
I mean, we might
too
not get it, but
fast.
that's kind of what I'm looking at.
I wasn't even here. So frustrating. I couldn't even get situated. I was trying to do that. It just was not working out for me. I feel like I don't even know. I don't really trust it. I feel like I could just flush below this 90 MA.
So as we get closer to 8 a.m., we'll see what this ends up doing.
Oh yeah, the MACD is about to go red. Okay, don't let this pull away. I need to go.
What we'd like to see is for this to break and hold over 4. And then 425, 450, kind of next spots to watch.
How's the 5-minute chart look? Oh shit.
I've done a couple dips down here,
He
sort
gave
of
back everything.
not super clean, but
Insane. You went red on the day.
added back small size there at 84, just to see if this pops through 90. So new order 415. So, you can see how it kind of is testing this level. It keeps testing it.
Yeah, literally the high of this is 4. So just a huge seller right at 4. You got what? Wow, that's pretty good. Dude, the spread is huge right now. What is going on? Yeah, did my shit freeze? Why is the level 2
I like that this one is our leading gainer. I like that it's got a lot of room on the daily chart.
the spreads are like, why is it just stuck at 390? I think just nobody's buying that guy. Oh, you know what, dude? It's a hidden seller. Oh, it just got bought up. Just got bought up. Yeah, I think it was just a hidden seller. I didn't see the exchange. Yeah, I also saw that too. There's so much red on the tape. So much. What is this spread? It's we had a 10-cent spread. Worth. What the hell? Yeah. Yeah. I'm just seeing if anybody is. Somebody said all red but not moving. Yeah, somebody said tape is weird. Spreads got bigger. Everybody's seeing this. Everybody's seeing this. What the fuck is going on? Somebody's just holding up the.
No, my level 2 looks okay.
What? His is fine. Yeah, what the fuck? Yeah, Ross's level 2 is fine. Mine's fucked up. I can see the orders going through on the time and sales, but I can't see it on my level 2. It's like stuck at 390. But on the what the fuck? Whoa, this is weird as fuck. Yeah, I'm not participating in this anymore. Ah, that's super annoying though that I'm red on that. $13. I was only taking small size because there was no more like setups after that, and there was also no micro pullbacks. Yeah, freaking cookies. Yeah, are you using Ocean One? I think it's an Ocean One problem because everybody else is saying that too in the chat. Ocean One is messed up. Yeah, that is actually pretty crazy. Nice, mine's like 1700 or something. 1713. I saw that. That's why. Why couldn't we break over 4? And why is the level 2 just busted? Is it still busted? Yeah. Yeah, real. I'm gonna do that too. It's that's AirTL. It's still broken. Yeah, it's just this stock. It's pretty much over for this stock anyway. Wow, we never got the curl. That sucks. And then watch, there's gonna be shit news. How am I doing it? Yeah. I just have it up in the corner. If that's what you mean. What window is it? Oh, I don't know. ATER. No,
So we'll see if any XR curls back up.
there's nothing moving.
But for right now, just sitting tight.
No news. ENVB, but shit news. Somebody said level 2 broken on all stocks. Yeah. Oh shit, it is. It's broken. Look up ATER. What the fuck?
So watching this down here.
God damn it. I'm gonna miss this curl. Yeah. It's gotta like go through 390 so that fucking level 2 can work. Like Ross is trying to time an entry here. Just watch his level 2. It's delayed, but
added back there for the breakthrough 4. So looking for this to squeeze over $4 a share. We've rallied back up to 4, which is good.
dude, we are cooked. This thing is not going to break over 4.
So watching the break back over 4, reclaim a VWAP, and then 401, 415, possible add spot for a squeeze back to 450. So watching here, 95, 96. I like that rally back up.
This is a pretty bad cost basis.
So 85 on the ask right now. This is our leading gainer. So what we're looking for here is a break back over 4. I thought it was going to break right there as it came back up. But I don't want to miss that break of 4.
He's down pretty heavy on it. Damn. Ocean 1 is just busted.
So new order up around 410.
How do you change it from NBBO to NASDAQ Total View? Maybe that will work. Ross is still holding this shit. What is going on? Wait, what's... I'm not... I mean, what's the news? I'm not...
Yeah, I'm using NASDAQ. No issues for me here.
Oh, he went flat and sold it for a $3,500 loss. Yeah. A 13-cent loss on a 20,000 share position. Dude, that sucks. I'm gonna email them. Where do we even email them? Fucking, what's it called? Yeah, I'm not gonna get any more trades today. I don't think. I'm gonna have to leave soon anyway.
So I tried to anticipate the break back over 4 a couple times. Now just, I don't know. We'll see what it does. If it breaks and holds over 4, then maybe there's something I can work with here.
Apparently, somebody heard back from Ocean One and said that they're looking into it.
Perhaps, yeah, yeah. I guess I don't know what the issue is. Sounds like maybe it's a task trader if it's happening with Ocean and
Weeble.
other platforms that use Dash Trader. Maybe Dash is the issue. But I
Maybe.
guess someone said Weeble too. So yeah, I don't know.
Weeble is having the same level 2 issue. I think you have to subscribe to NDBO and it'll work a little better. Yeah, that's legit. This is clean.
When it started pulling away, that's when I jumped in on that first leg higher, which was, I mean, pretty impressive from $2 all the way up to a high of
That's City Foe.
peak 570 or something.
That sucked. I emailed Ocean One and said, I took a loss. Can you reimburse me? I don't know. I'm waiting to hear back. Yeah. What'd you say? I literally missed that entire move, dude. Because I was taking a shit. I was on the shitter. It's not fair. That's not fair. As soon as I still have my headphones on and I heard the dinging, but as soon as I heard NEXR, I was like, oh, I don't recognize that ticker. It's could be game time. The one time. And they put out news at such a weird time. 7:40. What? Oh, he just pulled up the level 2 on it or something.
Another nice bounce there.
He was at 15K and now he's down. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's people are saying they can't execute orders either. People saying they can't sell their positions. I okay. They told me to try something. Please log out and back in to see if this gets fixed, or file data stream mode. Switch quote server. File data stream mode. Switch quote server. What did you say? Wait, say again. Ah, it's still broken. Jesus. Six 27:53. Yo, this is insane. I'm not even. I don't have any positions. Um, let's see. It's client relations. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, client. Yeah.
So about 8:18, 12 minutes to the bottom of the hour.
I can't stick around for that. I gotta go.
We've got NEXR.
Actually, I have to go like right fucking now. Damn. Okay. Oh wait, no, I don't.
Sideways here.
Did my math wrong. Bountiful.
So we'll see if it breaks out of this range, but nothing else comes out with news. It'll probably hold the position as the leading gainer.
I bet everybody's gonna buy this up at the open, right? Surely. No, NEXR? You said why? AI. I mean, they did, and it's going sideways. It's not like dropping. But it's not like there's going to be people taking profit because it hasn't had any volume lately. Yeah. It had one day where it had some high volume, but it wasn't. We're above that now. Mm-hmm. So I don't know. I don't really know how it works when the market opens and you have a gapper like this. But all I know is this is lame, son. Are we red on the day? Oh, yeah, just because of the splits. I think it's time for me to go.